Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an...
Hi guys, it's the end of a day and we got iPhones to play. Yes, we did. It's happy birthday to me. Hope you enjoy.
And I get to participate too.
She gets participation. Hey, why aren't we drinking still? Go grab some glasses.
You wanna drink some?
Go grab some glasses. We got champagne to crack open. And then we'll delight ourselves.
It's gonna pop again?
Probably. Oh, it wasn't as bad as the first time. I had to be careful this time because I didn't want her dying on the glasses over there. And baby is trying to sleep. So, yeah, that's great. So I got for our new phones. This is for Caroline. Little flower one. We got other ones coming that are a lot. I think they're gonna be better, but we need some for right now. And I just got a plain Jane black one for me. And then if y'all are not know about liquid glass, this company here pays up to $250 if your phone breaks because of the glass panel. So I'll probably be registering or getting hers taken care of here shortly, which I just thought about on the way home. I need to find out when we registered those.
What?
I need to find out when we registered the phones for those. Because you might still be in your warranty if I have to replace the phone.
Okay, the same 10-foot drop, but we're not gonna test it. No?
No, not today.
Not today. So we have two iPhones.
Phone 1.
This was like torture for me because having a package and not opening.
So technically this is mine, but we're giving it to her.
This is iPhone 13. What's the color of my iPhone Pro? This one. What's the color? What's that color?
Gold.
Ah, so I had gold.
You had gold, now you got Sierra Blue.
Right here. It's so beautiful.
So
It's sealed too, right here, so it's brand new.
mine. Someone already opened this.
I tried
You tried.
not to.
And this is the Assurian one. So this one's gonna be different packaging. So that's actually good. They sent that one, so it's gonna be easier for us to tell which is which.
Yeah.
Good. That was a nice little box.
But I'm jealous.
Oh, I did sales. They sent extra cords and everything. I hope they didn't want the other ones back.
So his is stuck in something. Oh,
It's
it's beautiful.
So I got my refurbished phone. It doesn't say refurbished on it, but it's definitely a refurbished phone. Okay.
Yeah, so right here. Well, you've already seen this one, so I'm gonna show mine. Look at that.
Did I see one of those liquid glasses? It's cool they gave us these.
It's two. Yeah, I need to do that.
Oh, it's already turned on. There's no way.
Maybe I did when I was putting it back in that tight trap. Oh, look at mine.
We might need you to go get the
It's bigger.
the
Mine beautiful. I think it was time for a smaller phone. I like the size.
I want a smartphone too. But I was gonna argue with the-
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Put liquid glass on here. So I do every day of the week. Someday you might get a chance to see me doing it.
How long do we have to wait for that to dry?
15 minutes. So we can talk a little bit. Or we can just pause it.
Or just drink?
Or drink. Drink.
Oh
Drink.
gosh, I'm getting drunk from that smell.
No, you're not.
It's so strong.
This is non-drunky. This is alcohol without. This isn't even alcohol. This is the chemical.
Well, it's getting in my eyes.
Is it?
Yeah.
You should be careful. Remember?
Even if it's small, it's got a bigger size. Storage.
Yeah.
Storage. That's not weird. So you put the liquid glass and then you wipe
Hey
it.
Google. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Start a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Counting down.
My flowery case. Oh, okay. It's so put this right here. Oh, why is it that yours looks expensive than mine?
Yours is more expensive than mine. Mine cost me $12. Yours cost me 20.
Oh, I see. I thought it was like the two. Look at that. Oh, that's the only difference. So this is for Pro Max.
I should have got the clear one for the sides, but I like the black edges better.
Black and
I really don't want to show a whole lot of gold. Gold kind of has that girly tone to it. Never really seen a guy buy a gold phone.
what's the color of the case that you ordered? Was it black?
It kind of looks exactly like this. It's this one with it's matte black, so it's darker black, and it's got a foggy on it. So like the gold's gonna look blemished. I think it's gonna look kind of cool. And then yours is obviously blue, but I figured this would be a good secondary one.
Yeah, for like matching up.
Yeah. And then the blue will fade into here, it'll be really cool.
Yeah.
But your camera piece will still fit through, both of ours will still fit through here. The back camera protector
Oh, with the other ones? Oh, nice.
with the ones we just got. And we need to register those up for our phones. Yeah, so we got a ways to go.
Hi again. It's the second day.
Finally have our phones.
Yes, we got to. What is that thing we do? Transferring things,
Oh.
documents, and everything from the old phones. So this is my new phone. Oh, brand new, so I get to.
Oh, you still haven't done that?
Oh no, baby, no.
Oh God.
I had to feel that the whole day. Oh, it doesn't square. It's all shiny right here.
Shining in
Look at that.
Is it really only 9:30?
Yeah, it feels weighty. And this is the better phone.
No, it's not the better phone. Yours has more memory, so how's that a better phone?
So they both 13s, Pro and Pro Max. I got the Pro, you got the Pro Max.
Yeah, you have more memory. They're the exact same phones.
No, size wise.
Okay, you got what? I got what, a quarter of an inch more than you.
But I love this. I had 12 Pro Max and it was big. Look at that, it's big. This one feels really good on my hand too. So I'm glad I went with a smaller size. Are you okay?
No, tell me.
So anyways, that's it from us. This brings us to the end of the video.
Yep.
We'll see you on the next one.
Well, we won't see you.
Oh, you
But
will
you'll
see us. And we'll see each other in the comment section.
Yes, we will.
Right.
Hasta luego, amigos.
What?
Hasta luego. After a while. It's been a while.
Okay.
Still teaching her 5th language.
No, we agree we're gonna take a class together.
When?
And what I'm doing winter right now, spring quarter.
Spring quarter.
Yeah.
How about we take one when you're on the break, so we can only have one class a week. Remember, you're gonna have like a distance of time between OIT. So you might as well take it while you're doing it. That way you can both focus on it.
Let's try to avoid that. We're gonna take a class together.
We should just take.
Swahili or
No.
Spanish?
We should take. You know Swahili. We should take Latin.
No, I don't want to do
I
that.
heard Latin's a lot easier to learn than Spanish.
I don't think so.
Yeah, because everything you ever spoke is written out of Latin.
But who are you gonna speak to? Me?
We'll go to a Latina group.
Babe.
Anyway, hasta luego. It's bedtime. Good night.